Hello everyone, welcome back to this session and specifically welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at creating forms in Microsoft Access database. Okay, we are going to look at how we can create a database structure using a table and with the appropriate data types. Okay, then we use that table to create a form, and later we use that form to feed in the information in those tables. Right, to begin with, let us start by creating a new database file here. Okay, right click and go to new and look for Microsoft Access database. The name I am going to put demo 3, okay, for forms. Then right click on it and open it. Then after you have opened it, click on enable content. Let's now create a table. Okay, by creating a table, go to table design. Right, we begin with staff. I'm going to say staff number. Okay, a data type is a short text. Okay, short text this is a data type containing of numbers and characters, but less than around 256 characters. Okay, second one, we should have maybe surname. Okay, surname still is also a short text. Then another one, we should have their first name. The first name, I also bring it as a short text. Okay, then I have their sex. Okay, sex, I bring a short text. Okay, but then I apply a lookup wizard on it. I type it here, say I want to bring female, then I bring male. Alright, I click finish. I go to next as department. I also apply short text. Okay, but I right click again and go to lookup wizard. Okay, go to lookup wizard and apply lookup. Okay, here I want physics. Then I go for chemistry. From chemistry I want economics. Then I click on finish. Okay, finishing department, I go for salary. Salary should be in currency. Okay, so I put currency, data type code currency for money. It's here, right? Then I give my table a primary key. Right click on staff number. Okay, right click, then I select primary key. Then I save my table. Okay, save my table as staff table. Okay, after creating a table here, now I want now to create a form using this table. Okay, if I can close it and now open it in the table view. Okay, I want to use, now you can see it's ready to feed in the data, but now I want to feed in the data using a form that I'm going to create. Still, go to create. Okay, and click on form. Okay, when you click on form, it will generate a form like this. Okay, but we have to make some edits and add the more good looking things. Okay, right click on form and go to design view. Okay, here I want to start by editing the header, staff form, not staff form now. Okay, I can even drag it and bring it in the middle. Okay, okay. So here I'm dragging it in the middle. There, I also increase some space down here. Okay, then reduce on this. Right click here, on this side I think here. Okay, I right click and now reduce it like this. Reduce on this text box and also drag them in the middle. Okay, have some space. I add a label here. Okay, add a label, go to the design and bring a label. Okay, my label will be staff form entry. Okay, all staff entry form, staff entry form. That is my label, staff entry form. I also add some buttons. Okay, create some space for buttons here. Down here I got buttons. Okay, I bring a button. I choose the operation should be record operation. Okay, then I want to add a new button. It should be text now. Okay, so it should give me new, should go to new field. Then I click OK. I can now, because I want when I click on this button it brings a fresh, okay, form for me to fill the data. So that is a new button. Okay, I also go and bring another button, put it here. This one again, record operations should be delete, so that when I see the data I can delete using my form. Okay, but the word should be delete, not delete record. Right, click on finish. Try to organize it and bring it maybe in line with this one so they can look nice. Okay, go back, bring another button. Button can come here and should begin record operations. This is the save button. Okay, next the text should bring save. Okay, bring save and I click finish. You can also try to organize it. Organize it and bring it maybe very near. Change its color. Right click on it and go to fill the color. Since it's a save button, should be maybe in green. And this delete button should be maybe in a little bit of red. The new button should also maybe in a little of a blue. Okay, something like that. So I have my 3 buttons. Okay, have my 3 buttons here ready for my work to be entered. Okay, that is it. Just try to bring my label in the middle here. Right, so I think my form is done. I can click here, maybe also save, and I now save it as a staff form. Okay, when I save it as staff form, click on OK. Okay, then I want to view it now in form view. Okay, so this is our form now. Okay, this is our form ready to feed in the data, and here this is our table. Let me try to feed in the data using the form, and we say staff entry form. Let's come here on staff number 1. I'm seeing it's UT S5. Okay, 23. Then come to surname, it's Natkunda, Natkunda. Then the next name is Halima. Okay, the sex, it's a lookup, it's a female. Okay, then the department, physics. Okay, and the salary is around 275. Okay, then you click on save. After clicking on save, click on new. Okay, bring a new record again, UT. Okay, S4 5 2. Okay, then name is Kauma. The next name is Musa. Okay, then the third name is the sex, bring male, department, he lies in chemistry. Okay, and now again the salary, this one is 265. 265. Click on save, right, and go to new. Now you can see that I have added 2 records. So when you go now to our staff here, staff table, it's still empty, but now what I need to click on refresh all, then my records will come. Okay, when I refresh all, I can go back and add another one. Okay, go back and add another one. Maybe if I say I add UTS 105. Okay, that should be maybe a staff number, and this is Kavuma Jamil. Okay, Jamil. Then the sex is male, right? Then the department goes in economics, and now the salary is 500. Then you click on save. Okay, if you want to delete, still if you have saved, you can now click on delete, and the reason you are about to delete one record, you want to delete it, you say yes. Okay, if I go back this side and I even refresh, I see I still have my work, because the other one I wanted to add, I deleted it. Okay, so that's how we can create a form and use it to feed in the data. Okay, maybe to make some adjustment on this form, go back on the design view. I can also change its color. Okay, go to fill, change maybe the color of the background. I can change it, say put some good, nice color like this one. Okay, and when I save, click and save it, and now open it in form view. This is the color now. Okay, see, and I was still, I can go to new, So that is how we can create a form using a table. Okay, and we use it input records in that table. Okay, if you have liked this content, this information, and you have liked this kind of the information to you, please, you can like, you share, you subscribe, and even comment, so that we know how best we can engage with you and we can give you more. Thank you for your time.